a new mom, have you noticed sometimes you see this peeling, red, or rashes around your baby's buttocks? This is known as diaper rash, and it can be painful to the baby. So in today's video, I'll be explaining all you should know about that and how you can prevent that from happening and how you can treat it. If this is your first time of seeing my post, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, share to your family and friends. You can also follow me. My name is Nurse Favor and I'm a registered nurse by profession. Let's dive into that in today's video. So this diaper rash is common skin irritation that happen to babies. You notice that your baby's buttocks becomes red, or it is peeling, or you notice some rashes around your baby's buttocks and their thigh. So this is known as diaper rash, and it is very painful at times to the baby and causes discomfort, and the baby can constantly be crying. So what causes this diaper rash? The first thing is that when your baby wears a diaper or pampers for a long period of time, your baby wears their diaper, their soy diaper, for a longer period of time, this can cause rashes or this diaper rash on your baby's buttocks. The next thing that can cause this diaper rash is friction from the diapers. That is, you wear your baby the diaper, that is the movement of the body on the surface of the diapers can cause these rashes. Another thing is reaction from baby wipes. There are some wipes that causes reaction to babies. So if you notice anyone that your baby is sensitive to, better remove it and look for other ones that can help to suit your baby's skin. Another thing is bacteria or yeast infection. Where there is presence of bacteria infection or yeast infection in the baby, it can cause diaper rash. Another thing that can cause diaper rash is when the mother takes antibiotics. You know that antibiotics can sometimes weaken the immune system. This can increase the occurrence of yeast infection even when the mother is the one taking the antibiotics and the baby is suckling the breast. So this can cause diaper rash in the baby. Another thing that can cause diaper rash is new food composition. When you change a baby from one formula to the other, it might also cause the poop composition to change and thereby causing this diaper rash. Or when you are breastfeeding, you change the type of food that you are eating. Maybe you now start eating more of sugary substances or food. This can cause diaper rash in your baby. So how do you prevent diaper rash in babies? The first thing you need to do is to always change your baby's diaper often. If you notice your baby's diaper is soiled, please change that on time, because this can contribute to diaper rash. Also, allow the baby's buttocks to air. When you remove the diaper, air the baby's buttock for some time before covering the baby's buttocks. The next thing you should do to prevent this thing is to gently clean your baby's buttocks each time you change them with fragrance-free wipes and also lukewarm water. You can get lukewarm water and use it to clean your baby's buttocks. So also choose breathable diapers. These diapers that can help air to be entering into the buttocks a little bit. There are a lot of them in the market. They even write it on them. So you can look for those ones that have high quality and breathable materials. This can also prevent this diaper rash to an extent. Another thing you should do is to use barrier creams. Use barrier creams that contain zinc oxide or even petroleum jelly. That is the Vaseline that you know. You can use it to clean the baby's buttocks or put it around the baby's buttocks before you put diapers on them, so that it can serve as a barrier on the baby's skin and the diaper to avoid irritation and peeling of the skin. So if today's video has added value to you, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, share to your family and friends, and also follow me. See you in my next video. Bye.